Next topic, similarity of triangles. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio that we studied in the previous exercise. Okay, if their two triangles are similar, what are the two conditions? If their corresponding angles are equal, corresponding angles should be equal, and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, not same but in the same ratio. Okay, if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are known as equilateral triangle. Correct? Corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are known as equiangular triangles. Both are having equal angle, then we can say that both are equiangular triangles. Okay. Next, the ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles is always the same. Ratio of any two corresponding sides in equiangular triangles is always the same. So by heart all these points. You should use all these points to do the exercise 6.2. So let us start exercise 6.2, case number 1. Okay, case number 1. What is the case number 1? In figure 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in figure 1 and AD in figure 2. So this is the first figure. First figure is this ABC. Okay, so this is the line DE, 1.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter. We have to find EC. So for doing this question, you have to apply basic proportional theorem. Basic proportional theorem you can learn from your textbook. Check test number page number 124 and 125. Okay, learn basic proportional theorem. So what is basic proportional theorem? By basic proportional theorem, we can say that the sides are proportional. So first side AB, AD, I am taking this side. Okay, and this one AD divided by DB, remaining part of the same side. DB should be is equal to opposite side. AE, AD, AE should come same side, upper side or lower side. I had written it as in the upper side. Remaining EC. So this is called basic proportional theorem. Okay. So AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by AC. Okay. By using basic proportional theorem, we can write this. So what is AD? AD is equal to 1.5 divided by DB is equal to 3 is equal to AE is equal to 1 divided by EC. We have to calculate. Okay. Cross multiplication 1.5 into this one. EC is equal to 1 into 3. So EC we will get 1 into 3 is equal to 3. This into comes here divided by 1.5 I am taking here. So 3 divided by 1.5 we will get is equal to 2. So now we got EC is equal to what? 2 centimeter. That is the first question. From the first figure we have to find out the value of EC. So now we got EC is equal to what? 2 centimeter. Just like this we can do the second one. This is the rough figure A, B, C. So D, E is these two length. This one we have to calculate AD. AE is given in the question 1.8 centimeter. This is 5.4 centimeter. This is 7.2 centimeter. So by using basic proportional theorem, same method we can apply. AD divided by remaining DB is equal to AE divided by remaining CE. So AD we don't know. This is AD. AD we don't know. I written it as AD. Okay. Divided by DB is 7.2, which is equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4. So if we want to find out AD is equal to cross multiplication. These two into 7.2 into 1.8 divided by this number 5.4. So we will get final answer is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So by applying basic proportional theorem, after that cross multiplication, find the remaining side. Okay.